Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting video. Here we are gonna show you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. So get your sheet folded, just grab all of them together and let's see what are we gonna create into. Let's dive into the world of creativity and let's enhance our talents. So here you have to create these sheets. Further you need to fold them up in this manner. Get them beautifully arranged in these patterns and now you have to tuck them inside. Just put them inside one over the other, every sheet in this way, and get a beautifully arranged figure like this. You have to keep it inside and tuck them up in this manner and then get a cut in this way. Your plane is gonna look pretty. Now here get a black sheet. What are we gonna do out of it? You have to just paste them further, get them beautifully arranged in this manner. Further here, just keep on getting it folded like this and then with the help of your fingers, you need to press it gently along the lines. Get them beautifully secured and made like this. Now you need to do it like this and then from the middle you need to chip them off like this. Unwrap it and you will find a beautiful lovely pattern in the middle in this manner. Again from the top and bottom you need to give it a fold from either side and get it made into this manner. Further you just have to get them beautifully secured in this way and let's see what in the end are we gonna get. Keep on getting it twisted and turns in this way and then you have to fold them up in this manner and getting them secured in this way. Now get the stripes of black sheets. You need to get a hole and inside you need to make something look like this. Now you have to get it on the top and your boat is ready. Your ship is ready. Now here get another origami sheet and then what are we gonna do out of it? You just have to fold them together and get them beautifully arranged in this way. Further from the corners you need to give it a fold and get the bird made like this. And here you have to just fold it and get a beak like structure. Now here what are we gonna do? You just have to get them secured, get the googly eyes pasted and this is gonna look super amazing, right? Further here also you have to get a sheet, get the lines and creases. Again along the lines you need to paste it in this way. Let's see what are we gonna do. Get your scissors and then you have to cut it in this form. Get a pentagon shape. Further along the lines you need to get a fold like this. And here you just have to keep on securing the sheets in this manner and get them beautifully arranged in this way. Getting it secured and then pressing it with the help of your fingers. This is gonna look a beautiful and amazing look. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and here you have to get a pattern like this and get them beautifully tucked up. Unwrap the sheets in this manner and get them beautifully arranged in this way. This is gonna give it a beautiful and lovely look. So guys, thank you so much for watching it. I hope you have enjoyed